Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the booking.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details and sign in into your booking.com account. Now on your screen, you can see at the bottom there are options like search, saved, bookings and profile. Go to your profile. There you can find settings by scrolling down, and under settings and legal, tap on settings. Now under settings you can see language, currency, units, temperature, notifications, etc. All you have to do is go to currency and you can search for the currency there or scroll down and select the currency you want to change into. And guys, that's it. That's how you change currency in booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.